Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from the Twitch application on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the Twitch application and log into your account, you will be taken into the home page. If you tap on Profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on Account Settings, you will see the Notifications tab underneath Preferences. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see various different notification categories. You can disable Smart Notification, then within the On Mobile as well as By Email section, tap on this individually and you will see various different categories of which you will be receiving notifications on your device. Make sure that the ones you do not wish to receive are turned off, and then do the same for the By Email option. Once you turn all of your preferred notifications off by simply tapping on the toggle button, any and all notifications from the Twitch application will be disabled on your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications from the Twitch application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.